Naalala nyo to, dalawang barko ng China ang umaaligid sa BRP Diego Silang nang may resback ng dalawang warship mula sa Amerika at Royal Australian Navy. Layo mga barko ng China. Mula sa napakalapit na pagdikit nito noong isang araw sa barkong pandigma ng Pilipinas, ngayon distansya to sa malayo.
Earlier, we were able to monitor the interlopers even beyond visual range. And that is very important for a modern Navy to do. And once they came nearer, they maintained a distance that was safe for us to conduct the different evolution and safely conduct our maneuvers.
Wala pang inilalabas na pahayag ang Chinese Foreign Ministry. Pero panigurado, sasabihin ng China na naghahamon na naman tayo ng gulo. Muscle flexing o pagyayabang na naman ng Pilipinas at Amerika. Depensa agad ng militar, nagsasama tayo ng tropa to deter o iwasan magkagulo. Pag China at Pilipinas lang kasi, talagang mainit ang tensyon. Nagkakadikitan pa nga. Pero tignan nyo ngayon, pag nandyan ang Amerika, takot o duwag ang China. Napakalalayo nila.
Cooperation with like-minded countries is meant to deter escalation and fosters peace and stability, and demonstrates a united front with other responsible states in upholding a rules-based order governed by international law.
Ang pagdating ng US Navy destroyer at Royal Australian warship ay commitment ng allied partners nating depensahan ang West Philippine Sea. Dito kung may problema kasi ang isang bansa, shoulder to shoulder daw nahaharapin ng magkakaibigang bansa ang naturang gusot.
Shoulder to shoulder with our allies. And we will do everything to ensure that we enhance our capabilities within our maritime rights and jurisdictions. That is what is important.
Sumama nga sa mga barkong pandigma ang isang Philippine Coast Guard ship na BRP Teresa Magbanwa. In case kasi na magkakagulo, tutulong din niya. Hindi militarily dahil wala namang armas ang PCG, kundi tutulong ang Philippine Coast Guard sa humanitarian assistance at search and rescue operation kung may duguang mga sundalo.
The United States Navy and the Royal Australian Navy. But most importantly, we were able to conduct this particular exercise with one of our more steadfast partners in maritime security, the Philippine Coast Guard. Ibig sabihin, in times of war, we maneuver to address a specific threat. During HADR, we also need that for search and rescue specifically. And maraming application ang
Bakit kaya ang China nawawala yung angas pag armado ng missile ang barko? Pero pag Philippine Coast Guard lang ang kaharap na walang armas, grabe sila mambuli. Bakit kaya? Kayo, ano masasabi nyo dito? I-komento sa baba ang yung salog.